Today we're unboxing the Wilds of Eldraine set booster box. Pretty excited for this one. Alright, let's get into it. So this set box comes with 30 packs, I believe. This is one of my favorite sets. I love all the anime cards. If you guys want to scan it, you can. It's cool. Alright, start from the left side. Alright, let's get the cracking. These are the tabs. Alright, I'm looking for a Beseech the Mirror or a Moonshaker Cavalry. I'll also take any anime cards. So, this, the cool front, card in the back. So, plunge into winter, common, doubling season off the rip, bro. This is fucking awesome. I love that. I love that. Goblin Bombardment for a rare. Restless Fortress for a rare. Cheeky House Mouse. Good. And I believe this is the Japanese pack. That's why you get all the good cards in the front. Over here. That was a good start win. Let's see. The art card in the back. It's in the front. High Fae Negotiator. That's pretty cool. Let's see. Spreading Seas for the Borderless. Werefox Bodyguard for the rare. Court of Lynchwan. Then we have another uncommon. Lord Skitter Butcher. Love that. Sail Sword. Alright, and I believe the rest should be commons, right? Throw those up there. Move this over a little bit. Next pack. Oh, okay. Alright, starting off heavy. Blossom Prancer. Witch's Mark for common. Oh. Nightly Valor for Borderless. Utopia Sprawl for another uncommon Borderless. Holland Shield Hair for the rare. Corvold Noble Thief. The Champion. And I believe the rest are in commons. Man. Oh. Hollow hands. Cool. A doubling season was a pull. Hopefully there's more to this. Let's keep going. Okay. So we have the art card in the back. This is Edgewall Inn. Flip it over. Woo. We got a charming prince for rare. Seasons of growth. Dark tutelage. It's lovely. Avid for rare. Then we have our fencer. I love the art in this set, man. The So Enchanted theme is really cool. Let's go and crack the next packs open. Thank you guys for tuning in with me on this unboxing. Alright, the art card. We have a discerning answer. It's cool. Alright, we got Court of Embark for rare. Shared Animosity for rare. Cool. And then an uncommon Seva. Get Tempting Apple. We have the rest commons. Definitely can't wait to make a food deck out of this. I know these are a heavy hit for commander staples. Alright, let's see what we got. Art card. Beanstalk worm. New reprints all over your favorite deck master cards. Let's go. Dawn of Hope. That looks nice. Unnatural Growth. Okay, we're getting hot out here. And then a Seasons of Growth. Okay. We have another rare. Twins. Ranger. Common. Shattered Oath. And a Hollow Forest. By the time you guys are watching this, Ravnica Remastered came out. Planning on getting a set box of that as well. Waste not. Let's go. Jonathan. Uncommon. Hatching Plans. Another uncommon. Spell Troll. That's rare. Some Splatter Bolts. Stroke of Midnight. Nice. Not dead after all. Evolving Wilds. Master Commons. Let's see what we got. We have a Court of Avid. Let's see. Stowed Knight, common. Impact Tremors, for borderless. And a mythic. Beseech the mirror, baby. Let's sleeve this up. Let's sleeve up doubling season as well. Lovely. Those are two great pulls. Ash Party Crasher, Belligerent of the Ball, Howling Galefang, Seated Witch, and all the rest commons, right? Awesome. I don't think I've looked at any of like list cards for this set. So if anything that jumps out to me, jumps out to you, let me know. Let's do this. Let's see what we got. We have a Tater Ratter. Cool. Stone Splitter Bolt. Oversold Cemetery for a rare. Expel the Interlopers for another rare. Okay. I love this. Depend. Now that we gotta beseech the mirror, hopefully we can get a Moonshaker Cavalry somewhere out of here. That'd be cool. Also looking for an Avid Soul Cauldron, but only one can dream. Let's see what we got here. We have a Horn March. Looter Frame, Griffin Armory for the borderless, and the end for a rare. That's pretty cool. Twisted Feeling, Witch's Vanity. Up the Beanstalk, nice. Now the value of like most of these cards have gone down tremendously since the launch. Alright, we're in the middle row, guys. Let's do this. Let's see what we got here. Oh, a signed art card. Nice. Rowan's Grim Search. It's cool. Let's see. Beanstalk Worm for a common. Dawn of Hope for a rare borderless. And a Curiosity for an uncommon. Oh. Lord Skitter's Blessing for the rare. Love that. Welcome, Sweet Tooth. Yeah. This is one of the cool sets. Like, everything's so fun in this set. We got another Beanstalk Worm? That's cool. These pull tabs function correctly sometimes, and they function correctly. They don't function correctly other times. Let's see what we got. I believe it should be like that. Hatching plants. Alright. We have a Blossoming Tortoise. Yes. Mythic off the jump. I love that. Another griffin. Oh, and another mythic. Oh, we're pulling this. I love this. Oh, a triple mythic? Oh, that's awesome. Oh, this pack screams. Oh, goodness. Back for seconds. Night's Revenge. Tough Cookies. Scream Puffs. And the rest are commons. Oh, that was a good pull, man. That's crazy. They put 2 Ashooks in here? That's crazy. Back to back, right after a Blossoming Tortoise? Oh, this pull is ferocious. I feel like we hit all the mythic slots already. Oh, here we go, another pull tab. Oh, we probably got that because the pull tabs are working on that one. That's nice. Let's do this. Let's see, what do we got here? Keelan, the Fae-Blooded. Alright, let's see what we got. Rowdy Research for an uncommon. Stab Wound, lovely, yes. Another uncommon. Gruff Triplets for rare. Oh, into a Fairy Slumber for another rare. Into a Greta Sweet Tooth for an uncommon. Oh, that's awesome. And the rest commons. I feel like I have to pull this correctly. Alright, let's get this out the bag. Alright, what we got in the bag? We have a Ominence. Let's go. We have a Sugar Rush for a common. A Groundsel for an uncommon. Apprentice Folly for a rare. And an Eerie Interference for another uncommon. Alright, that's good. If I can get one of the Virtue cards, that would be nice. This one pulled out. Oh, let's not do that. I almost took a peek off that one. Alright, let's see what we got. I have a Splashy Spellcaster. Alright, let's flip it over. Spine Fluke. Summon Horror. Oh, I like that. This card into a back for seconds. It's an uncommon to a compulsion for another uncommon. Farsight Ritual for rare. Graceful Takedown, uncommon. Shroud Shepherd, Acolyte. Chrome Search, and then a bunch of commons. Awesome. I know nothing about Splend Fluke. Oh, from the wrong tab. Alright, let's do that then. I guess we're starting on this one. Alright. Oh. I got those quick hands, I guess. Let's see what we got here. And so we have it in Eldraine. Flip over into Emberclave. Oh, that's lovely. For mythic. Oh, see, I'm not even mad about my sticky hands now. Common to another curiosity. That's exciting. To another rare. Let me see. Food coma. Biggest merchant. Like that. Let me sleeve this up. That was some very quick hands I got. I'll sleeve this up as well. Okay, let me move the pile over a bit. Get some space going. So I did all that. I know some of these borderless uncommons aren't that like rare or anything, or aren't that heavy in price. I just do love the artwork in this set. Alright, what do we got? Knick-knack. Alright, flip over into Once Upon a Time. Oh god, it's for a rare. This is a list. The hands. Prismatic Omen. Aging Battle Mouse. Glass Casket. Princess Takes Flight. Dull Griffin. Nice. The rest are commons. Let's see. This set is pulling a lot. If you guys are tuning into this one and haven't seen my unboxing of the Lord of the Rings bundle, please tune in. Like and subscribe as well. Conceited Witch. Alright, let's get this going. Frostbridge Guard for the common. Garrick Uprising. And we have another Blossoming Tortoise for mythic. That's crazy. Brett Teague. Tiklon Prankster. Tooth. And a mountain at the end. Wowzers. 2 Blossoming Tortoise. That's just crazy. That's 32 over here. So we have 6 mythics. And I feel like we ran out of mythics. And I said that before, and for some reason they just keep popping out now. It's crazy. Alright. See, if that was the card, then I'd be happy. Not the art card, jeez. Moonshaker Cavalry. Let's do this. And what we got? Solitary Sanctuary. We have a Blind Obedience for a rare. Oh, that art is so nasty. I love that. Goose Mother. Oh, yes. I actually want to make a deck out of Goose Mother. Oh, that's going to be awesome. Stay tuned for that. I'll show you guys my deck build for this. Experimental, conflictionaire. Alright. Alright. So for some reason my camera just died. Cool. Alright, let's open the next pack up. Let's see what we got in the back. Abundance. Alright. Let's see the front side. Skew Slinger. Always not for a rare. Intangible Virtue for uncommon. And Talent Messenger for a rare. Bitter Chill. Tenacious Tome Seeker. High Fate Negotiator. And Ruster Commons. Gotcha. Tidy this up a bit. Alright. Let's take out the next pack. So this pack is supposed to be with this. So we got 10 left. Alright. Let's do this. Avid Realm, Scorcher, Elkite. Synth. Pitlock Prankster for uncommon. Dragon Mantle. And Elvish Archivist. Oh! We have a showcase. Kid Dragon. Oh, that showcase art looks really nice. Eldraine. See the art card? Sky Beast Tracker. Scream Puff. Oh, it's gonna be saucy than horror deck though. It's a common. Karmic Justice for the rare. Oh, Thunderous Debut for another rare. Frolic Familiar for an uncommon. Heartfelt Mental. Dawn. Sweet Tooth Fletch. And the rest are commons. Uh-oh, don't tell me we ran out of all our mythic luck. Take a peek on that one. I have to start opening these backwards. Alright, we got a sign art card. Lucas. This is a Brave the Wild. Alright, flip over. Dwarven Recruiter. Mocking Sprite for common. Vampiric Rites for uncommon. Arch of the Wild Rose. Creatures you control. Oh, that's nice. That's a good pair. Taken by nightmares. Eerie interference. Nice. Alright, let's tidy this up. Next pack, guys. Almost done the box. Thank you guys for sticking around for this. There will be more unboxing to come. Nightly Valor. Let's see what we get. Another Reaper. Grass's Fate. And a Raid Bombardment. Into a red cap gutter dweller. Nice. Oh, five more packs left. Tough to open. Hope this one's juicy. Let's see what we got. Throwing an Eldraine. Flip silver. We have a wicked visitor. Into a Gurk's Uprising. Into a mythic. Let's go, Agatha's Soul Cauldron. I love that. Into a Tough Cookie. Into a Sweet Tooth. Into a Gingerbread. I love that. Oh, let me sleeve that one up. Oh, that was sauce. And I thought all the mythics were gone. That's crazy. This has been a nice pack. If I get a Moonshaker Cavalry, oh my god, I'd be set. Let's see what we've done here. Eerie Interference. Let's go. Flip into Soul Guide Lantern. An uncommon. Nightly Valor. Into a Virtue of Courage mythic. Into a Horn Lodge. Wow. Rare. Oh, that's lovely. Yeah, I'm so excited to make a bunch of decks out of these. Sleeve that out. Honestly, don't know how much any of these are worth, but the artwork is way too good. One of my favorite sets. Okay, let's see what we got here. We got an Ego Drain. Flips into, let's see, Borrowed Naughty. Into a Defensive Heart mythic anime. Oh, that's so nice. Oh, I was wondering, I haven't pulled any anime cards yet. Oh, that's lovely. Moss Redwood Dread Knight. Oh, that's nice. Graceful Takedown. cream puff. Oh, I love that. The set box is going out with a bang. Each row had something good. Let's see what we got. Ceramic Justice. Let's do this. Alright, let's do this. Fairy, Dream Thief, into a Force Fruition, into a Tale of Ages, Tale for the Ages, into a Princess Takes Flight, Griffin, couple of comments. Alright, 2 more packs left, guys. Let's get this done. Oh, see, I already showed you guys all this. Let's see what we have in the back. Prosperity Prison. Let's flip into 4 Bears Blade. Oh, I love that. Into a Borderless Restless Vinestock. Oh. Into a Topia Sprawl. Viper. Again. Honor. Oh, that's a lovely, that's a cool looking mountain. Alright. Oh, that looks so nice. Alright, last pack. That's not opening correctly. Start with the back. Let's see what we have here. Kindred Discovery. Let's see if we can hit some big things. Topia Sprawl, Spreading Seeds, Rotisserie Elemental, to a Picklock Prankster. Well, that last one wasn't a hit. All's well. All in all, I'd say this is a good pull. A very good pull. We were able to get an Agatha's Soul Cauldron, and a Beseech the Mirror, and a Doubling Season. Oh, that's awesome. Alright. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe, and stay tuned for the next one.